Hi, Mark Reedy here. Just wanted to show you real quickly how you can search for any item in the notes field for all of your equipment at once. So for example, if you've got like a generator or something you know is out there on one of your pieces of equipment, but you're not sure which one, if you put it in the notes field, you may be able to find it that way. So I'm going to go over here to Forms and then Notes List. And this brings up all the notes for all the equipment. And so now I can type in something like generator here. Click search. And now I can find each of the generators we have in the fleet. And if there's a specific one I'm looking for, I can double click on that. It'll bring up that equipment over here in the back. Bring me over to the notes tab if another tab is selected. And now we can see that generator is listed here. So you can do that for anything that you might have, tools, generators, different items, that you might have on your fleet, associated with a specific piece of equipment. You can use this to find it if you're using the notes lists to store that information. All right, hopefully that's helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Take care.